EB5 electric bike. Sold by Jasion Store. Explore the Jasion EB5 electric bike, featuring a robust 350 watts brushless motor and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Enjoy the convenience of a removable 360 watt-hours battery, providing a range of 25 to 40 miles per charge. Choose from 4 riding modes including PA, pure electric, pedal only, and booster mode for uphill assistance. Experience enhanced riding comfort with 26 inches puncture-resistant tires and a strong front fork suspension. Benefit from a user-friendly upgraded LCD display, showing detailed e-bike metrics and adjustable backlight. The bike's minimalist design and lightweight, high-carbon steel frame ensure both style and stability. Safety is prioritized with dual lights in front and rear mechanical disc brakes, adapting to various road conditions. Rated 4.4 stars. Order today for $269.99. To purchase, see the link in the description of this video.